We got a nice day to flower. Oh, I'm getting a call. It's from Flower. Hey, Flower, you back yet? You back yet? You are. Are you at the airport? I can see it all the way over there. Wait, I think I see you. I think I see you. I think I see. Okay. Your house is nothing different. Don't worry. We did nothing to your house. It's the same. You coming? Yeah, I can't wait for you to get home. Hey! Flower! You can see your house is a little faded.
What happened to my house?
It got a little, it faded a little bit. But nothing's different on the inside. It's the same. It's no longer like a dark yellow anymore. It's more like a lighter yellow. Like my house right here.
I think I'm going to head to bed. I'm getting tired.
Yeah, it's a little late. So, I'll see you in the morning, Flower.
Yeah, see you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.
Why do I have to get up so early? Well, it's time for our adventure, so I probably should get ready. Let's go. Okay. I have to meet Flower. In the safe. Hopefully no one robs it. Okay, I think I'm all prepared. Now we're gonna go outside and wait for Flower. Well, luckily I locked my door. So I'm all good. Now I just gotta wait for Flower. Hey, Flower, you ready?
Almost.
Hey, Flower.
Hey, Marigold.
You ready to go on an adventure?
Yeah, hold on. Let me go grab my bike.
Got mine. Let's go.
Got my bike.
Let's go. I'll lead the way around Brookhaven. Okay? Okay. So, I'm following. Okay, there's the old man's hospital where we used to work.
Hey, Marigold, wait for me.
Okay, I'm right here. There's our workplace. We should probably be there by now, but I'm sure he won't mind if we're a little late, right? Wait, Flower, come on. There's the mall. Oh, there's the airport. Let's get on this highway.
Wait for me. You're really fast.
Isn't your max speed at 25? Okay, now we're on the super fun highway. Oh, I can see my house.
Yeah, and I'm eating my apple.
You can see our houses from here.
Yeah.
I'm surprised there's no cars driving on here today.
Yeah, me too.
I can see our houses. We're heading right back to them.
Oh, the alley?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see them too. Oh, I almost fell off the highway.
Oh no, you would have died.
I know.
We're here.
Stop it.
Mom. Okay, we're here.
Yeah, I'm still
Wait, don't run your bike into the house. I really love your new hair. Did you get it dyed? Did you finally throw off that wig and get it dyed? Did you finally decide to throw off that wig and dye it?
The wig? No, this is not a wig.
Yeah, but did you finally decide to throw off the wig and dye it that color?
Yeah.
Where is the wig anyway?
I threw it in the trash.
Oh, okay. Since your hair's now pink, and actually I think it suits you better. I think brown suits me better since I did dye it brown, but it got all over your pillow. Remember that? That was like a year ago. Wait, is it still on the pillow? Let me go check. Oh my god, it is still on the pillow. And your pink is still on the pillow. That was such a long time ago, though. I still look the same, though. My hair did grow longer, but I cut it back to the way it was. And your hair grew, too. I'm just glad you're not wearing that mask anymore.
Yeah, but I sort of liked it.
That's why you wore it? And when did you get glasses?
Huh?
When did you get glasses?
Like 2 days ago.
Are those for reading?
Yeah, and also I can wear them whenever I want.
I like you. I think the glasses suit you better than without them.
I'm going to go read.
Nice. Okay. Can I grab a book too?
Yeah, sure.
What did I just open? Look what I just opened something. Let's go in. I'll open it. There's this button right here. Come on in.
What is this place?
I never knew this was. I never knew this. It's a meeting room.
Oh, it's like a meeting room.
I never knew this was below your house.
Me neither. This is crazy.
The fact that this was just built about a year ago. We rebuilt it about a year ago.
Well, I'm going to go read a book.
We rebuilt it twice. At first when it burnt down, and then the second, it like first time it was rebuilt, it burnt down. And I can't believe we added that.
Crazy.
It was like never discovered by us. Oh. Yeah, Mom? Okay, I'll be there. Flower, I have to go eat dinner. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, Flower. Well, after that nice dinner, let's find a good day to sit back and watch TV. Nice day. Very, very nice day.